With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, in this question is given that prove that cortex is continuous in its domain. Okay, so a function is given cortex, we need to prove that it is continuous in its domain. Okay, so function fx that is given cortex here. Okay, so if I'll find the domain of cortex, okay, domain. So domain, it will be given by whole real line R except x, okay, such that sin x is equals to 0. So for those points where value of sin x is 0, we don't consider that point in our domain. Okay, and this can be further written as, okay, whole line R, okay, except x such that n pi comma n belongs to integer. Okay, so we can write domain of cortex like this here. Okay, now fx is cortex here. Okay, so let's write here fx. Cot is what? Cos upon sin. Okay, so cos x upon sin x. Okay, we can rewrite fx as cos x upon sin x. Okay, let's write here since sin x and cos x are continuous on whole line R. Okay, okay, so what does it mean? This implies that cos x upon sin x will be continuous on whole R except x, okay, such that sin x is equals to 0. Okay, so what I wanted to say is this cos x upon sin x will be also continuous on, this will be the domain, okay, for those value when sin x is equals to 0. We will neglect those points because we know that this cos x upon sin x is representing a fraction and we know that denominator cannot be 0. Okay, and this cos x upon sin x is what? This is the value of my fx, and fx was what? Fx was cortex. Okay, you can see here we have considered fx as cortex. So we'll write here cortex will be continuous on, I can write it as like whole line R, okay, x such that n pi comma n belongs to integer. Okay, so here you can see we have proved that cortex will be continuous on, this is what? This is the value of domain. Okay, you can see here we have considered this as domain. Okay, so what we have proved? We have proved that cortex is continuous in its domain. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.